Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to create a new folder in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all, if you want to create or make a new folder in your PC or laptop, so for that you just need to right click on your mouse. You can do it anywhere. You can do it here, or you can do it on here. Just open the location and then right click on your mouse, and then you can get a option new. There you can see second option new, and there have a option for folder. Select it, and then there you can see. Now you can type your name, folder name. I just type my folder name Techipo, and then there you can see your folder already created. Now open it. That's it guys. In this way you can create or you can make a new folder in your PC or laptop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.